front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here you will notice date and time at the top of the list. So now you just have to switch off automatic setup and then pick date and time manually by yourself. And that's it. As you can see, from now on your phone will display those date and time. You can also manage time zone the same way, smoothly switch off the automatic setup and then pick the region and also time zone from the following list. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.